To run GitHub Codespaces and to use VS Code server on the cloud, go to GitHub and log into your profile. If you don't have an account, create an account on GitHub. After that, go to GitHub Codespaces. As you can see, this is the Codespace view, page view. All the Codespaces running will be here. To create new Codespaces, click on new Codespaces, and then in the new Codespaces page, select your repository, any repository you want. After selecting the repository, select the branch you want. After selecting the branch, select the region of your server, that is the cloud server. Choose it which is closer to your location and choose a machine type. So there will be two variants, 2 core and 4 core. Choose anything you want. You can click on create Codespaces. After that, we'll set up your code server, VS Code server on the cloud, and clone your repository with the latest commit of your repo, of the master branch of your repo. And as you can see, this is the VS Code running in the browser. You can run in the VS Code desktop view also, but I am using browser version. As you can see, these are my files for my repository. This is in a Linux server. It's running with 2 core and 4 GB RAM and 30 GB storage. You can install your extension from here. All extensions will be available to install. As you can see, it will automatically set up the nodejs environment and installing the node modules for us. You can see the Python version also. As you can see, this is 3.12.1. Kind of forward a port to access globally. So I'm forwarding 3000. As you can see, the address is generated to access my 3000 port from the server. To access it, we have to make it public so that anyone can access the port. Otherwise, you have to log in to access the port. Now to test the server, I'm going to run a small HTTP server of Python inbuilt. Is now starting on 8000 port, so I'm making it public. Then I will copy the link and the new Mito tab will open the link. As you can see, to access this Codespaces, we have to click on continue. As you can see, these are my files which are available here. Same as it is available here also. This way you can access your code and files from anywhere in the world. It is running on your GitHub cloud. Now we are going to see how to set up Ollama server on the Linux server running on the cloud. So we'll copy this URL command and paste it. It will download the Ollama on the cloud server and install it. Taking some time. It is not using your net connection, it is using the cloud internet connection. But it will be all the files which will be downloaded by Ollama, like model file also. It will be stored on your server and it will use the server RAM to access the model. Taking some time to download. Now it is installing. After downloading, installing. Now clear all this and Ollama is now installed. Start the Ollama server by using the one Ollama server. Now in the new bash command window, we are going to download the llama 2 model. Sorry, it's llama 3.2 model. It is of 2 GB size. Which is now downloading. After downloading, it will start the llama 3.2 model. It will take some time because the model is running on your, it's not running on GPU, it's running on the CPU, so it will take some time. Now we can ask some question like why the sky is blue. Now you can see it is now generating the answer for it. This way you can run the Ollama model on your GitHub Codespaces, and it is utilizing your GitHub Codespaces resources, which is not running on your computer, it is running on the cloud server. You can access the API by exporting the code. I will close it. This way you can access your own model